Arrive in style with this 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, audio memory, radio data system, rear audio controls, air conditioning, automatic dual-zone climate control, automatic temperature control, electric rear window defogger, rear window defroster and 10-way power front passenger seat adjuster. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.